Curious, do you have an issue with yawning when you work out? I've been working out for a decade now, over a decade, and I always used to have this issue of yawning when I was working out, and I found out that, they say that you don't get enough oxygen when you yawn. So what I started doing is what I call elevated intensity breathing, EIB, and I coined that term, so it's proof here on Instagram. But so what you do in between sets is you do 10 deep breaths in and push out 10 breaths, and you will find yourself stop yawning. And also, of course, water intake will thin out your blood and deliver oxygen to your brain faster. But try the EIB method, and I promise you it'll help with yawning.